Joey Diaz released the last Church of What's Happening podcast. He did it on his Patreon, and he made this post about his new house that he just moved into in New Jersey. First of all, what a nice house. I guess he took a picture of his daughter in the front yard. But, I mean, good garage, but like a nice house in Jersey, no homeless people around. One of the reasons why he got out of Cali. And so he puts, tomorrow is the day, happy Monday. Today is the day. Yes, the church is coming to an end. But on the other side, my family moves into our new home. I'm very excited and proud. I left here a mutt and I came back a gentleman. I thought I would never change, but I did. The chaos, the drugs, and the pain are long gone. I'm 57, but I feel 23 because of you guys. I put my soul on the table and opened my heart to you. The good and the bad, I'm happy I did because I wanted you to feel my pain. I don't know what's going on with your life, but I do know one thing. You keep your chin up, you work hard, and you keep your heart pure. Things will start happening. Commit and the results will come. I'm living proof. To quote Jimmy Valvano, never give up. Let the dream become your reality. Don't quit. Wait for the miracle to happen like it did for me. Thank you for being part of the journey. I love you all. You took a chance with an underdog and your ship came in. You now have a real cool uncle in your life. Love yous. So, Dope House, and like I said, they released last episode of The Church of What's Happening, guest Paulie Shore. He's about to hit Joey Diaz, 11,000 patrons. So, do you think he's gone for good, or he'll go back to Cali or to Texas with Joe Rogan? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.